If this girl could speak for herself, my job would be easy.
Listen to me. The rest of your life may depend on it.
Neverjetna zgodba o nedolžni skrivnosti. Nemi kriki. V četrtek ob 20. na kanalu A.
Camille! Camille! Camille, you have to talk!
V soboto in nedeljo ob 8 zjutraj. Zajec do Vuhac in prijatelji. Samo na kanalu
Milka.
Šoko 3 in kapučino, 2 novi čokoladi, 2 nova užitka.
Velik problem današnje družbe je zrak, ki ga vdihavamo. Raziskave so pokazale, da 15 do 20% prebivalstva boleha z različnimi boleznimi dihal. V navidezno čistih stanovanjih se skrivajo mikroorganizmi, ki povzročajo bolezni, kot so astma. Zato so za vas strokovnjaki razvili čistilni sistem Atlantik, ki preprečuje te težave. Za čiščenje uporablja Atlantik popolnoma naravni element vodo. Prednosti Atlantika boste hitro spoznali, saj ima posodo z vodo tako, da vsesani zrak prefiltrira preko vode in v prostor vrne popolnoma čist zrak. Vsi prašni delci in umazanije ostanejo v posodi, ki jo po koncu čiščenja odlijemo. Če primerjamo z navadnim sesanjem, ugotovimo, da se vsa umazanija zadržuje v vrečki več tednov in z vsakim sesanjem nekaj mikroorganizmov razpihamo nazaj v prostor. Na sesalnik lahko priključite električno globinsko krtačo, s pomočjo katere dosežemo izreden učinek na preprogah in pri sesanju vzmetnic. Moč sesanja se lahko regulira, tako nam Atlantik omogoča dodatno varčevanje energije. Poleg sesanja lahko s paro popolnoma brez kemikalij očistimo trde površine, vodni kamen v kopalnici, kuhinjsko pečico, radiatorje. Izredno pomembno je parno čiščenje med radiatorji, saj se zaradi izmenjave zraka tam nabira veliko prahu. Atlantik ima za čisto vodo 2 ločena rezervoarja, tako da med dolivanjem vode ni potrebno čakati, da se aparat ohladi. Atlantik razpolaga s priključki, s pomočjo katerih lahko parno čistite talne površine in umazanijo istočasno posesate. Za pranje tepiha, avtomobila in sedežne garniture uporabljamo hladno vodo z dodatkom strojnih šamponov. Atlantik lahko uporabljamo tudi v zdravstvene namene, saj z dodatkom eteričnih olj lahko preko vodnega filtra očistimo zrak v prostoru.
Vsak petek so z mano 3 pari, nekatere poznate, drugih spet ne. Skupaj pa skozi zabavo in smeh ugotavljamo, kako dobro se poznajo. Bodite z mano v oddaji Mladoporočenci v petek ob 20. uri samo na kanalu A.
Od mladoporočencev do zlate poroke. Fiat.
We got robbed last night.
You're kidding. What was stolen?
The Romanov tiara.
Oh my God, not the tiara. Why did you do that? That's right. I have nothing to hide. I'm innocent. That doesn't look very innocent. Overhead it.
Čarovnice.
Somebody is obviously trying to set me up and they're using magic to do it. Who and how? Hannah? Smart girl.
Vsak petek ob 21. samo na kanalu A.
What do you want?
Your powers, of course.
I'm Rochelle Haynes, and believe it or not, I'm a 53-year-old grandmother. I've worked in the health and beauty industry with an international clientele for more than 30 years, so I've seen a lot of cellulite in my day, and I personally understand the incredible embarrassment that this skin condition can cause. I've struggled with it too. But I want you to know there's an easy way to reduce the appearance of cellulite, and it's as pleasurable as it is inexpensive and effective. And best of all, it doesn't involve dieting or exercise.
I have been using Velaform for about 1.5 months. And after 1 month, I really saw the results. I can tell you that it's very good because I have been trying it myself.
I've been using Velform for about 2 months. And after about a few days, I could feel that the skin was softer. But about 2 weeks, I could see the results. The cells were just disappearing.
After about 6-7 days, my skin, I could feel my skin, it was getting smoother, my skin was getting firmer, and I feel very, very, very good about it.
Now, a remarkable new cellulite treatment, a breakthrough product just introduced in Europe. Velform, an at-home spa treatment for cellulite. There's never been anything like Velform. You'll be amazed at the results you see. Velform has been found effective in 98% of the cases of cellulite. These photos here were taken under controlled conditions and have not been retouched. They show results of using Velform experienced after just 4 weeks of regular product use. Velform goes to work as you sleep. The Velform micro-massaging tights create the optimum atmosphere for the Velform gel to work. By warming the skin and improving circulation, the micro-massaging tights allow the Velform gel to more easily penetrate the skin and enter the deep layers where cellulite is found. The gel then helps to break down the lumpy fat cells and release the toxins that cause cellulite. And because the Velform gel contains time-release dual-action cellulite-reducing ingredients, it can continue to do its work effectively for hours during the night.
The ingredients in Velform are of the absolute newest and the most cutting edge of all the ingredients that you could hope to wish for in a cellulite product.
You just massage the cream into the skin and then you put the pants on, go to sleep.
Week after week, I started reducing the centimeters everywhere.
My skin was looking much nicer, smoother, and it felt good.
The first time I tried it, I got the smoothest, softest thighs you can ever imagine.
It's around 1 year ago I realized that I had cellulite. I tried lots of products, but nothing helped. I started to use Velform. After 1 week, I saw the result. Compared to the other products, Velform is the best.
How would you like to feel the freedom of wearing a bathing suit, shorts, or lingerie with pride? Now is the time to order Velform and finally reduce the appearance of that unsightly skin condition without surgery, dieting, or even exercise. You'll never have to hide your legs again. Never again will a trip to the beach cause you agony and humiliation. Velform is not like other cellulite creams or lotions you may have seen advertised. Velform is a complete at-home spa treatment. You begin by applying the Velform dual-action gel on the areas of your body troubled with cellulite. Then just slip on the attractive Velform tights. The micro-massaging tights create the optimum atmosphere for the Velform gel to work. By warming the skin and improving circulation, the micro-massaging tights allow the Velform gel to more easily penetrate the skin and enter the deep layers where cellulite is found. The gel then helps to break down the lumpy fat cells and release the toxins that cause cellulite. And because the Velform gel contains time-release dual-action cellulite-reducing ingredients, it can continue to do its work effectively for hours during the night. You could spend hundreds, even thousands of dollars for doctor's visits, spa treatments, creams, and lotions to help you get your legs looking beautiful. With Velform, you get the complete beauty treatment system. Call now for your 1-month supply of the Velform gel and these one-size-fits-all cotton and latex micro-massaging tights. The tights are very comfortable to wear and completely hypoallergenic, so they can be worn all night, every night. Wake up with your legs feeling smooth, soft, and silky. And as a special bonus, you get a travel-size supply of Velform and this exclusive zip-up travel bag for you to store your Velform in. And there's even better news. When you order now, we'll send you as a free gift this Sleep and Shape Guide. Using the tips in this booklet, you can double your Velform results. Velform is not available in any store. Call now to order Velform and start shaping your body while you sleep. Call now.
I've been in the health, fitness and weight loss industry for more than 30 years. And throughout my career, women just like you have been coming to me for a solution to cellulite. Join me now for some fascinating, in-depth discussions with women who have seen amazing results using Velform. How old are you, Kim?
I'm 37.
You mentioned to me that you have 2 children.
Mm-hmm.
So you started seeing the problem after you had your children?
Yes, yes. I was, coming into a part in my life where I felt that now I have to start thinking about myself.
Did you expect the kind of results that you got when you're using the Velform?
Honestly, no. Honestly, no.
How long did it take before you noticed a result?
Maybe 3 weeks. In the beginning, I realized only that the skin was getting softer. The second thing was it had reduced my cellulite.
Isn't that great?
It's really great.
To be able to just rub a product on, go to sleep.
Absolutely. And go to sleep, and that's
Now, did that
so
shock
easy.
you?
I think so. The exciting thing is that I've seen this result that I was not really expecting, to be honest, but it's there. I mean, I've lost 2 centimeters on each leg, and now I feel like, let's try another bottle.
I saw your before and after pictures, and I was just shocked.
Oh, when I remember my hips before I was using Velform, for me they were so ugly that I didn't want to look in the mirror and see my hips.